I'm happy that my son no longer lives in my house. My name is Tanya Franklin. I live in the Los Angeles area, and the project that I worked with, Soul Builders, is an ADU in the backyard. My goal was to get rid of my son. My son to have a place to stay outside of my house so I could just have my house back. It's so huge, I just needed him to have like a place that he can call his own. You know, when the design, like, this is what you want, what color do you want? So he was a part of everything. I met at least about 7 contractors. I even met some after him, but he was the one that was more honest to kind of say, it's not level, so I'm gonna have to raise it up. If I have to raise it up, that means I have to basically take down the entire garage and then just leave that one wall up. So he gave me that information. You know what? I actually found Soul Builders on Instagram. I looked at some of the work that he has done, and then I reached out, and then I saw the finished product. I was like, okay, yeah. And so I didn't follow the architect, I followed him. For him, it's like, okay, I got to know you and I got to know your son, and I think it'll work this way. So I think that's what contractors are like, gets to know the owners.